Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Thursday, August 28, 2008. The Tennessee Consolidated Retirement System plans to commit up to $900 million to private equity and hire a new executive to oversee the asset allocation. Memphis Business Journal reports that the allocation is allowed per a recent state law amendment that allows the retirement system to invest in venture capital, corporate buyouts, mezzanine and distressed debt, special situations, and secondary funds. The private equity investments may include limited partnerships, private placements, co-investments, fund of funds, and commingled funds. Staying with hedge fund news, BNP Paribas Securities Japan says investors should accept Japan's 7-year swap rate and sell similar dated government bonds because the difference in yield between the two will narrow. Bloomberg News is reporting that the swap rate is about 37 basis points higher than the 7-year bond yield, a gap approaching levels unseen since March when the failure of Bear Stearns rattled markets. The spread is almost one-third wider than it should be, said Alessio Caldevera, a bond strategist at the Tokyo-based unit of France's largest bank. And in more hedge fund news, Sophis has signed an agreement to offer portfolio and risk management services to Now Capital, a deal that marks the 8th new hedge fund client it signed in 8 months. Other new hedge fund clients include Harbor Capital, Carmarg Capital, and Braid. In response to the demand for infrastructure systems, Sebastian Rousseau, COO at Sophis, UK, Ireland, Nordics, and South Africa, added that the London office has grown to 42 employees from 25 in the last 12 months. And in other hedge fund news, China's national pension is speaking with CITIC Capital Holdings to set up a private equity fund worth as much as 5 billion yuan. Agence France Presse reports that the National Social Security Fund has not finalized how much it will invest in the fund. It did not specify which other investors might be involved. CITIC Capital, a unit of China's state-owned financial conglomerate CITIC Group, will manage the fund. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.